because on 3 occasions it was listed, showing your name.
This item number 3.
Not today, I don't think so. Not this item, where your name was shown singly about 2 weeks back. Probably when Justice Medhi, while this bench was sitting. Find out.
I will find out.
May I please, Your Lordship?
What's your good name?
N. Deka, Your Lordship. N. Deka.
Full name?
Nandita Deka.
Take your seat. Dissatisfied with the impugned order dated 10/11/2023 passed by Learned Foreigners Tribunal Kamrup, Put bracket Metro, bracket close second, Guwahati 3, in FT case number 1287 of 2015, whereby he has been declared to be a foreigner under the Foreigners Act 1946, where illegally entered the territory of India, Jamaica, Assam, from the specified territory of Bangladesh on or after 24/03/1971. Petitioner has filed this petition on 19/3/2024. Call for the efforts of immediately for motion and immediately.
Your Lord- Your Lordship, Your Lordship, I may be protected.
Let the records come. Yeah, please. Lord.
The father's name appeared in the voter list of 1966-1970, my lord. And he adduced, my lord, he adduced evidence as DW1 and his elder brother as DW2, my lord. His name and his brother's DW2's name appeared in the voter list of 1989. And Jamabandi copy is there, my lord. In place of his father, the sibling's name is there, my lord, along with DW and the petition.
Take your seat.
My lord.
প্রতিবাদ মিস্টার এসে আমি বাকি বিজয় শর্মা by judgment dated 01/10/2021 of the landed member of Foreigners Tribunal Porpeta 11th. So book. Case number within bracket EPT 3 oblique 11 bracket close F.E.1069 oblique 2016. Who find the petitioner to be a foreigner under the Foreigners Act 1946. I have come to the territory of India within bracket Assam for the specified territory of Bangladesh on or after 25/03/1970. Declare dictator. The petitioner has filed this writ petition on 20/03/2024. After 3.5 years. Whereas he obtained a certified copy of the said order, said judgment dated 01/10/2021 on 11/03/2022. All for the records are changes. Enlist this matter for motion.
My lord, in the meantime, my lord, may I pray for
You are already after 3.5 years.
I
you
have,
are free.
I have explained the cause of delay, my
See to
lord,
that.
in my petition.
See to that.
Oblige me. My lord, Miruddin Majumdar, item number 12, my lord. On a specific query, my lord, on the last occasion when the case was listed, my lord. This is pending before the Supreme Court, my lord.
Yes,
This Amiruddin Majumdar, my lord, the main case, my lord.
microphone.
It's on, my lord. It's pending before Honorable Supreme Court, my lord. On the issue of red judicata, my lord, even though the main issue was decided, my lord, but this case is still pending, my lord, along with Saponna 36293/2018, my lord.
Do you have the WPC number?
Yes, my lord. Case diary number, my lord, 41582/2018.
415.
41582, my lord,
Hmm.
/2018, my lord.
Is there any stay order in force?
Stay order, there is no stay order, my lord, but still pending.
Then tell us.
As far as this case is concerned, my lord, we have challenged the second notice, my lord.
No, there is no stay order.
No, there is no stay order.
Then
The first decision, if my lord would like to take to evaluate the case, my lord. Page 9 is the first opinion, my lord. By this opinion, my lord, I was declared that I am, as an Indian, my lord, I am not a foreigner, my lord. Subsequently, the second notice was issued on page number 13, my lord. The only difference, my lord, between this notice and the first opinion is, my lord, my name is Amiruddin, and in the second notice, it was written Amiruddin Majumdar, my lord. By the common order, my lord, 19/4/2018, the two issues was framed, my lord, whether the res judicata section 11 is applicable or not. And then again, against this order, my lord, we have approached the Honorable Supreme Court, and this is still pending, my lord. In my case, my lord, the serial number that I have given, my lord, it was tagged with Mr. Sapan Dotto case, my lord, 36235/2018, my lord.
Just a minute. Three, six,
Tagged with my case number and diary number that, my lord, I have given is 41582/2018. And this case is tagged with 36235/2018. And the name of the
three,
petitioner is,
235.
yes, my lord, /18. And the name of the petitioner, Sapan Dotto, SWAPAN Dotto, DUTTMI. And I have just tracked, my lord, it's showing that it's still pending, my lord.
Call for the records of case number. FT/H RTQ /303/2013. That was disposed of. The judgment dated 25/02/2015. Which the Learned Foreigners Tribunal, Hosai, Sankadev Nagar, comma, was declared, well, by whose judgment declared the petitioner
Not to be a foreigner, my lord.
not a foreigner. Also call for the records of FT case number 928/2015 from the Foreigners Tribunal number 10, Nagaon, Daboka, wherein a notice has been issued, was issued to the petitioner by the said tribunal on 09/01/2017 under the Foreigners Act 1946. Place this matter immediately for admission on receipt of records of both the cases from the concerned Foreigners Tribunal.
Otherwise, Lord,
Leave this matter. It is submitted by Mr. A. the counsel appearing for the petitioner. That with regard to the order dated 9/4/2018, common order, common order dated 19/04/2018, passed earlier by 14 bench of this court in the WPC number 7339/2015 and other connected cases. Presently, an SLP is pending before the Honorable Supreme Court. And Mr. Topoda fairly submitted that there are no stay orders in those proceeding before the Honorable Supreme Court. It is to be noted here in matter relates to the issue of res judicata, where a foreigners tribunal earlier declared a proceeding to be not as a foreigner under the Foreigners Act. Without discussing the 11 exhibits exhibited by the proceeding and considering the same thing. And without considering the same as required under the law and section 9 of the Foreigners Act. And thereafter, fresh notice issued to the same proceeding by the same different Foreigners Tribunal under the Foreigners Act 1946 in a separate proceeding.
I'm deeply obliged, my lord.
Wait, please, your lordship. Lordship, here, matter pertains to the voter of petitioner name similar. Kindly Paris order dated 3/1/19. In instruction of sought for.
Where is Mr. Ali?
Out of station.
Even now? When is it returning?
Monday return. Monday. Ramadan would be na. You would come to them. I am free. Huh?
Unable to say, how come? And who is this?
Yes, Mr. Sharma. Note down the number and let us know at 2 o'clock. The SP Border Dhubri made a communication to the Foreigners Tribunal 1 Dhubri on 22/11/2018. At office memo number BO oblique DBB oblique D voter oblique 2018 oblique 1990.
Lordship,
The petitioner's address was Aklima Khatun, wife of Abdul Munaf, village Kuchnimara, KUCHNIMARA. Post office Joadanga JHO WDANGA. Police station Mankachar. The LSA is number 21 Mankachar. Initially, IMDT case number 73/85. Dated 11/10/1985 was registered against her. And also communication was made against her for register her case IMDT. So want to know the status of the said case. Earlier also in 2018 order was passed. Nothing has happened.
can it be on tomorrow, Lordship?
Want to give us tomorrow?
Yes.
Give us tomorrow.
Alert, can it be on Monday, my lord? Sorry. No.
মাজতে কমিউনিকেশ্যন আহিছিল দুইটা কমিউনিকেশ্যন খিনি দুইটা একেলগে কেছ কৰি আগে Mr. Sharma,
Lordship.
you also note down the second case. Pomela Khatun, KOMELA, wife of Rokibul Islam. Rongapani, RANGAPNI. Post Office, Borkona, PORKONA. Police Station, Mankachar. LSC is 21 number, Mankachar. Her case was disposed of earlier by a coordinate bench of this court because it was referred, but the reports did not come. Whether any case under the Foreigners Act has been registered against the said petitioner or not. So the matter was disposed of. We can also dispose of this matter on similar line. But that matter was disposed of on 3rd of January 2019. We want to know from the Foreigners Tribunal, either from Dhubri or from Mankachar, wherever it is, because it was under Reliance Dhubri. Whether any case against said petitioner Kamala Khatun has been registered or not, and what is the outcome? Because this was a direction of the court of 3rd of January 2019. Passed in WPC number 3785/2007.
My lord, in Komela Khatun, there was a status report. It said that on scrutiny, no case is found.
That was long back.
12, 18.
So that is the direction given by the court. So both the matters, you give us the information tomorrow. Or if you need some more time, we'll fix it on Monday.
Okay.
For both the cases.
Yes.
On the prayer of Mr. Z. Sharma, standing counsel on the part. Place these two matters on. Perfect. Give us the information.
I am lord.
Next. 14. Nine.
May I please your lordship? Myself,
What's your good name?
A. Parasar. On behalf of Ardhar,
Call for the records of notice in this case was issued on 18/08/2017. Call for the records of application number 1994/4. One nine nine four oblique Z. 9 is the tribunal G oblique 08. G মানে গলপাড়া, G মানে কলপাড়া। Within bracket, reference oblique ERO, electoral registration officer. Of case number 782. 101/36, 1012 উপরে যাব। Wherein the foreigners tribunal number 1 Valpara on 01/08/2011 appoint the petitioner to be a foreigner under the Foreigners Act 1946. Registry shall communicate to the registered officer. A copy of this order also be communicated to the Superintendent of Police Board of Valpara for his information and necessary action. Further, a copy of this order also may be furnished or shall also be furnished to Mr. Z. Sharma, Standing Counsel, Home Department, for his onward communication to the Foreigners Tribunal number 1 Valpara for the 11 records as per the report. This is a list, this map for 50 of the relevant records of the concerned for this representative. On the next date of listing of the matter, Mr. Z. Sharma, Standing Counsel, Home Department, shall apprise the court about the status of the compliance of the order dated 01/08/2011 passed by the Foreigners Tribunal number 1 Valpara in said FP case number 1994/G/08. তার পাশে কপি অফ দিস অর্ডার তো ইন্টুল সেন্টেন্সর পিছত লিখে দিব কপি টু দি এসপি বোর্ডার বলবা কপি টু মিস্টার টিচ
50, 19,
15
15.
no representation on behalf of the petitioner on call. Two names of two counsels have been reflected in the court list. It is also seen on the last occasion, on 12/11/2021, the petitioner remained unrepresented. The interim order of bail is in force since interim order of bail in favor of the petitioner is in force since 02/04/2018. records of DFT within bracket D case number 910/2015 was called for from the Foreigners Tribunal, Nagaon Court number 10 at Sankardev Nagar, Hojai, by the court while issuing notice in this matter on 02/04/2018. Even on earlier occasion, I on 12/11/2021, the court observed that a relevant record was not received from the concerned Foreigners Tribunal. Issue reminder to the Foreigners Tribunal, number 10, Hojai, Nagaon, for the records of FT case number 910/2015 that was disposed of on 30/06/2017. Failure on the part of the concerned Foreigners Tribunal to provide the relevant records of the case noted above. The court shall consider to pass consequential order against the erring official, as it has obstructed the adjudication of the present matter pending before the court. On the next date of listing of the matter, the SP Border Hojai shall also apprise the court as to whether the petitioner, in terms of the order dated 02/02/2018, appeared before the said authority or not, and if so, when. Copy of this order be furnished to the office of the Superintendent, Office of the Foreigners Tribunal, Nagaon 10, Sankardev Nagar, Hojai, the Superintendent Police Border, Hojai, Fort Ridge, and Superintendent. Further, a copy of this order also shall be furnished to Mr. G. Sharma, Standing Counsel, Home Department, Assam, for his onward necessary communications. List on 30th of April. Pursuant to the order of the court dated 30/08/2023, in place of original writ petitioner Motibur Rahman, ROHMN, alias Motibur DUR, so alias Motibur Rahman, RAHMN. The names of his legal heirs on his death was accordingly implemented as petitioner numbers 228 in the present petition. And further, as per the direction of the court dated 30/08/2023, petitioners have filed the amended cost act in the present proceeding. It is seen that while issuing notice on 30/03/2021 in the present proceeding, the record of case number FT within bracket D, bracket close 588/2000/12, wherein the impugned opinion was passed by the said tribunal on 24/10/2018 against the original petitioner Motibur Rahman was called for. However, till date, the said record from the concerned foreigners tribunal has not yet been received. Registry shall issue reminder to the foreigners tribunal, second Morigaon, Assam, pertaining to the records of FT in bracket E. Pertaining to case number FT E 588/88 of 12. Copy of this order to the police border, Morigaon. By Rajil Sharma standing counsel. List on 30th of April.
Please, Your Lordship. This is a contested case, Your Lordship.
Please
The
take your seat for a while.
Lordship.
When did you appear before the Superintendent Police Board of Bogaigaon?
Lordship, within 4 weeks, Your Lordship.
You are sure?
Lordship, I have appeared, Your Lordship.
Take your seat. Take your seat. Who is your father?
Lordship, Hussein Ali is my father, Your Lordship.
Hussein Ali is your. Oh, अच्छा. Yes, please submit. First, you read your written statement.
Lordship. May I read, Your Lordship? That there is no cause of action for this case against the opposite party. That the case registered by the district border police against the opposite party is totally false and baseless. That the present case is not maintainable in the present form and manner. The opposite party is a Indian by birth. That so far as the provision of Foreigners Act 1946 is concerned, the present case do not cover the ingredients as required to institute any proceeding against the opposite party. Hence, the instant case is liable to be dismissed. As per Section 3 of the Citizenship Act 1955, a person acquires citizenship of India by birth, and this is being invested in the article of the Constitution of Law of India. So the legislature of our country, in exercise of the power given to it under the said article, has passed the Citizenship Act 1955, making provision for acquisition and termination of citizenship after the commencement of the Constitution. As the opposite party was born in the soil of India, as such, raising questions regarding the nationality is quite heart-rendering. The opposite party's father name has been recorded in the NRC 1951. A photocopy of the NRC 1951 issued by the officer in charge, Barpeta Police Station, is annexed and marked as Annexure 1, that one. The opposite party father's name has also been recorded in the electoral roll of 1966 as regular voter in of 51 number Zonia LAC White, house number 105, serial number 426, Your Lordship. These documents are at page number, Your Lordship. At page number 16 of my petition, Your Lordship.
What is the name of your father?
Hussein Ali, Your Lordship.
Hussein Ali.
Hussein Ali. Thereafter, Zohirun Nessa is my mother, Your Lordship.
Where you have stated in your written statement?
Lordship, on that part I have failed to mention in my written statement, and for that reason only the learned tribunal has rejected my and other Bosir Ali, Jail Hawk and Shukur Bosir Ali, Jail Hawk are my brothers, Your Lordship. That part also I have failed to mention in my written statement, Your Lordship. Similarly, Your Lordship may come to page number 18. This is a voter list of 1970. Hussein Ali is the name of my father. Zohirun Nessa is my mother. Bosir Ali and Jail Hawk, these two are my brothers, Your Lordship. That part also I have failed to mention in my written statement, Your Lordship. Thereafter, Your Lordship, may come to page number 21, Your Lordship. This is the petitioner first time cast his vote at the age of 28, Your Lordship. Thereafter, there are two certified copies of the year 2010, and thereafter 2014, Your Lordship. I have been casting vote thereafter, Your Lordship. And in the year 2008, my age was 28. And 2010, it shows, Your Lordship, 30. And 2014, it shows 33, Your Lordship. Your Lordship may also come to page number 27. I have annexed land documents, Your Lordship, which we have inherited, we brothers have inherited from our father, Your Lordship. First one is Basir Ali is my father, Your Lordship, son of Hussein Ali, Your Lordship. Thereafter, Azibur Rahman is my father, so is my brother, Your Lordship, son of Hussein Ali. Corroborated with the, Your Lordship, Exhibit 1 and Exhibit 2, Your Lordship. Thereafter, Your Lordship, Ahila Rahman, who is also the DW2, Your Lordship. He is also known as Ahila Sheikh, Your Lordship, which I have mentioned in my evidence, Your Lordship. Thereafter, the fourth one is Ali Akbar. This one is myself, Your Lordship, the petitioner, but my name has been wrongly recorded as Ali Akbar instead of Akbar Ali, which I have mentioned in my evidence, Your Lordship. That it has been wrongly recorded and both the persons are same, Your Lordship. And these four persons are corroborated by Exhibit 2, Exhibit 1 and 2, Your Lordship. Their names are there in the voter list along with my father, Your Lordship. These are my brother, but Your Lordship, I have failed to mention the same in my written statement, Your Lordship. The petitioner being uneducated, Your Lordship, he handed over all the documents to the council, Your Lordship, but these documents were not brought into record. Thereafter, Your Lordship, there are two certificates issued by the Gaubura and the Panchayat certificate, which were also not annexed along with the evidence in the written statement, Your Lordship, but these were handed over at that point of time, Your Lordship, which are at page number 29, Your Lordship, and page number 30. This shows, Your Lordship, Akbar Ali, son of Hussein Ali, and the village and all. This shows clearly shows my name, Your Lordship. The petitioner's village earlier falls under Kamrup. Thereafter, it was under Borpeta. Thereafter, presently, it is under, Your Lordship, Bongaigaon, Your Lordship. Another thing which I have not mentioned in my written statement, Your Lordship. Lordship, may come to page number 30, Your Lordship. This is a job card, Your Lordship, which was issued by in connection with the NREGA, Your Lordship. Here also Akbar Ali, son of late Hussein Ali, Fatima Khatun, that is my wife, Your Lordship. Thereafter, Your Lordship, Moimuna Beva is there, Your Lordship. Moimuna Beva is my second mother, Your Lordship. This part also I have not mentioned in my written statement, Your Lordship. Although it was tucked, Your Lordship, for which a confusion arises in the mind of the learned tribunal, Your Lordship.
Please take your seat for a while.
Lordship.
Your birthplace,
Lordship.
your birthplace.
Nosotros, your lordship.
Hmm?
Nosotros, Abhaipuri, under Abhaipuri, your lordship. I have-
Nakhatra Abhayapuri.
Abhaipuri, your lordship. I have mentioned in my your lordship.
Hmm.
Hmm.
Yes. Where you have stated
Lordship, I will.
in your written statement, page number 25. Yes, please.
Lordship, I will take your
Which
lordship.
place you have mentioned, in which paragraph?
Lordship, in my petition, I have not stated in my written statement. In my petition at paragraph number 2, at page number 4, I have stated your lordship.
No, no, in your written statement, we cannot go in beyond written statement, what you have
Lordship.
stated. What you have stated.
Lordship. Specifically, I have not mentioned my place of birth, your lordship. In my lordship evidence at page number 40, your lordship, I have mentioned about my residence and I have stated I am a bona fide citizen of India by birth. And
Which place? Where?
at page 40, your lordship. Residence of village Nasatra, PS Abhaipuri,
That's your affidavit in
lordship,
evidence. We are asking you in a written statement.
lordship.
Name of your mother.
Lordship. Zohirun Nisa is my mother, your lordship.
Where you have stated, did you mention in your affidavit, in your written statement?
That part also, your lordship, I have not mentioned, your lordship.
Good.
Actually, the petitioner puts thumb impression, your lordship.
Good. So
That's it.
Zohirun Nisa, please come to page number 15, 17. Whether it is 16 or 15, doesn't matter, 16 or 17. Please come.
Lordship. Zohirun Nisa and against Hussein is written, your lordship.
This is a voter list of
1966, your lordship.
1966,
Yes.
relating to which village?
Nosotros, your lordship.
Village Nosotro,
Nosotros.
subdivision
Borpeta, your lordship.
Borpeta, district
District Kamrup at that time, your lordship.
undivided. Right?
Undivided.
Constituency is
Jonia, your lordship, 51 number, Jonia LAC,
And what is the police station? Left hand side.
Bakbor, your lordship,
Bag.
yes, yes,
Your father was 60 years in 1966, right?
lordship,
So he was born sometimes around 1966 minus 60, 1906. Your projected mother, Zohirun Nessa,
lordship,
was 50 years, right?
lordship,
In the year 1966. So she was born sometimes in the year 1916. Now, you say your name figured in the voter list of 2008.
lordship,
Is it a voter list of 2008 at page number 21?
lordship, it is a voter list of 2008, your lordship. It is,
2008 or 2004?
it is lordship,
2008. Because all others entries are in English, ma'am.
NPC, if it is English, your lordship, then it will be 4, your lordship. It is written in
The
Assamese,
entries is in English, then it will be 8.
8, ma'am.
8, your lordship,
Because your lordship may kindly see the first part. In the
Yes, sir.
serial number, it is 1109. All are in English.
No, everything is in English.
Yes.
The numericals are in English.
Numericals
English.
are in English. So it is 2008.
So you are, as per this voter list of 2008, how old you are? 28 years. Your birth year? Will be
it will be around, your lordship,
not around, it will be there 1980. If you are 28 in the years 2008,
lordship,
your birth year is 1980.
86. 86.
No,
2008. Yes.
2008 minus 28,
Yes. 80.
1980. Now, if it is 1980, and if your father was born in the year 1906, how old was he? How old was he?
it was, your lordship, it will be 74, I guess, your lordship.
74 years.
Yes.
How old were your mother was?
Six 64, it will be,
64 years.
lordship,
Biologically possible. Biologically possible. That point of
lordship,
now, both the voter list of 1966 and 70 relates to a village called Nokhotra
lordship,
under Bakbor Police Station, subdivision this Borpeta.
lordship,
Your voter list somehow in the year 2008 is also of the same constituency. But interestingly, this particular voter list doesn't contain the name of the district, the village, the police station, and the polling station.
lordship, down below, it was marked as E, your lordship,
Hmm?
doubtful electoral, your lordship,
Where?
page 21,
Against your name,
yeah, lordship, down below,
against your name.
this, yeah, lordship,
Whether against your name it is the voter? No, it's not.
lordship,
These are the, whatever in the short form, Serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Those are shown. Now, the voter list of next annexer, that next exhibit that you have placed before the tribunal is your what?
Bank passbook was exhibited, Your Lordship.
Bank. What was the name in the bank
State Bank,
document?
it was State Bank of India, Your Lordship.
Which page?
Your Lordship, that is not annexed, Your Lordship.
Not an.
Not annexed, Your Lordship, in my petition.
Okay, we'll go to the rest.
Lordship.
You have said that your name has been incorporated. For the purpose of
Lordship, NREGA, MG NREGA, Your
job card.
Lordship. Job card, Your Lordship. Page
That is
number,
annexures, page 32.
Lordship, annex 10, page number 32, Your Lordship.
Good.
This was exhibited as exhibit 6, Your Lordship.
Exhibit 6. This was when you registered yourself?
Lordship, it is 14/3/06, Your Lordship.
14/3/2006. How old were you?
Lordship, at the time 28, Your Lordship.
20. Who is this Maimuna Bewa?
Lordship, my second mother, Your Lordship.
Your second man.
Lordship.
Did you mention her
The-
name in
the-
your written statement?
That part was also not mentioned in my written statement and evidence, Your Lordship. Although it was
Have you
exhibited,
mentioned the name of your siblings in the
Hmm.
written statement?
that was also not mentioned, Your Lordship. That
In
is
your
why,
written statement,
Lordship,
so as where you have stated that your father possesses land and property. Where you have stated in your written statement.
Lordship. I have mentioned the same in my affidavit, Your Lordship.
We are asking you, you
No.
cannot go beyond the written statement.
No, Your Lordship.
So did you mention in your written statement that your father was possessor of land by purchase?
That was not mentioned, Your Lordship.
Not mentioned.
Not mentioned in my written statement. But a leave was granted. The opposite party crave a leave of this honorable court to file additional written statement if required later on, but that was not also filed. As at page number 37, Your Lordship.
37,
Lordship.
yes.
Additional written statement was not filed, but evidence was filed, Your Lordship. Wherein
So
it
how you
was,
can without filing additional?
Lordship,
Now, where is that land document?
Lordship is at page number, Your Lordship.
Did you annex?
Lordship, at page number 27, Your Lordship. At page number 27, this was the land document, Your Lordship. Showing the name of my brothers,
Hmm.
Lordship. And my name also, Your Lordship.
Hmm.
This is, Your Lordship,
Yes.
village is no Sotro, Your Lordship.
Subdivision,
Uttor Salmara, Your Lordship.
circle,
Season Gram, Your Lordship.
Moja,
Moja is, Your Lordship. Season Gram, Your Lordship.
district,
Bongaigaon, Your Lordship. Presently it is Bongaigaon, Your Lordship.
and this Basir Ali, Ajibur Rahman,
Lordship.
Ahila Rahman, and Ali Akbar.
Lordship.
Ali Akbar,
Ali Akbar is the Lordship.
all sons of one Hussein Ali.
Lordship.
There is no mention there alive, that Hussein Ali is alive or disease expired. Right?
Lordship. Lordship.
Are the owners of land measuring 3 bighas, 15 lesses,
Lordship.
or 3 quarters, 15 lesses? 3 quarters, 15 lesses.
15 lessons, your Lordship.
They are joint partners.
Lordship.
Land at Doug number 413.
87. Check number
Sorry, patta number 413 and Doug number is 87.
87, your Lordship.
Where is that you have inherited it from your father? What
Lordship.
shows the remarks column? Is there any mention in the
Lordship.
remarks column?
In the remarks column, it is not mentioned.
It is not mentioned.
The same I have mentioned in my affidavit, your Lordship.
Since when the Zonia constituency has come under Bongaigaon district? Or the village Nakhotra that was under Bagbor police station has been shifted to Bongaigaon district?
That part was not mentioned. I have to seek instruction on this regard, your Lordship.
Now, please come to page number 29. You have annexed here, but not
Not exhibited,
exhibited.
Lordship.
Kindly read.
Certified that Akbar Ali, son of late Hussein Ali, village Nosotro, PO Nosotro, PS of Bhaipuri in the district of Bongaigaon, Assam, under the jurisdiction of Nosotro, Bageketi GP,
Baghe Khaiti.
Bageketi GP, your Lordship.
Then
His name is found in the voter list of 2005, by serial number 102, house number 38, polling station number 81 under LSC, 44 number Zonia constituency.
where from is the dead so? Where from?
Lordship,
Will you be able to tell us?
Lordship, if the complete voter list,
Voter list of 2005 he mentioned.
Lordship, your Lordship.
Where is that 2005?
I have not annexed that one, your Lordship. I have to collect and your Lordship,
Then
Produce it
next
before-
page 30.
Lordship.
These documents you have not annexed before the travel.
This were not annexed, your Lordship.
Not annexed, not exhibited.
Not exhibited, your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, Akbar Ali, son of Hussein Ali, village Nosotro, PO Nosotro, Moza, Titapani, PS of Bhaipuri, district Bongaigaon. He was inhabitant under 22 number charge area. The name of his father, husband, grandfather, oblique, elder brother was listed in the electoral roll of 19/2008 as scheduled below. Name of constituency 44 number Zonia LSC, house number 30, serial number 109, part number 81.
Hmm.
This was dated 27/11/12, your Lordship.
Hmm. But you are a resident of
Nosotro, your Lordship. Village Nosotro,
Moja
Moza, Titapani, your Lordship,
police station.
of Bhaipuri,
Hmm.
in the
District.
district of Bongaigaon, Assam, your Lordship.
So when did you shift from the village Nakhotra under Bagbor police station So this particular village Nakhotra under police station.
Lordship,
of
earlier
April.
it was under Bagbor, Your Lordship.
Hmm.
When it was in our Kamruk, thereafter it was shifted to Bongaigaon. The district were divided, Borpeta, thereafter it became Bongaigaon, Your Lordship.
Is it correct?
Lordship, Lordship,
You're sure?
Lordship.
Police station Bagbor is under now Abhayapuri district Bongaigaon.
No, that was under Your Lordship. Bagbor is different, Your Lordship.
The initially the village Nakhotra, it was under Bagbor police station.
Previously, Your Lordship.
Previously, it was under Bagbor police station. The place can move around or the persons can move around.
Lordship, no.
Do you know the geography of Assam?
Lordship,
Do you know the geography of Borpeta district
Lordship.
and the Bongaigaon district? What are the districts in between Borpeta and Bongaigaon? Tell us from the geographical area of Assam. How many districts it has
Lordship,
traveled? The
but-
village Nakhotra
Lordship.
has traveled how many districts?
Bagbor is under Borpeta, Your Lordship, presently also. Bagbor is under
If the
Borpeta.
village Nakhotra was under Bagbor police station earlier, the same village Nakhotra that was under Bagbor police station has shifted to Abhayapuri police station of Bongaigaon district.
Lordship. Peaceful Bagbor. Lordship, may I see the page number 34. That was the notice which was served upon me from the tribunal. This shows Gao Nasotro, Thana Bhaipuri, Jila Bongaigaon, Your Lordship.
So you appeared,
Lordship,
you was found in this address, you have accepted the notice.
Lordship.
So,
It is fall under Abhayapuri police station.
It falls under Abhayapuri police station, Your Lordship.
so that is the reason I'm asking you.
Presently, it falls under, yes, Lordship,
Presently fall under,
Abhayapuri police station.
good.
Lordship had asked me at page number 21 that my voter list where my name appeared for the first time, Your Lordship. It is a certified copy, Your Lordship. It was issued wherein the village and PS is not mentioned, Your Lordship. But it is a copy of the certified copy that was issued by the electoral register of his, Your Lordship, in the year 2010, Your Lordship.
Do you have the original one that you have received the certified copy?
Lordship, I have to collect the same from
Can
the
we look at that page that you have annexed
Lordship.
in your petition? This is a stamp of what office? Round seal.
It's Your Lordship, Colgosia Circle Officer,
Kolgosia Revenue Circle.
Revenue Circle, Your Lordship.
What it has to do with the voter list?
Lordship. Lordship, right side there is a
Electoral registration.
electoral registration officer.
Good. It's
44
there, very much there.
Lordship, it is there.
Dharma. Read section 76.
Lordship, certified copies of public document, Your Lordship.
So voter list is a public document,
Lordship,
right?
Lordship.
So what it should contain, that's it. Please read.
Lordship, every public officer having the custody of public documents which any person has a right to inspect shall give that person on demand a copy of it on payment of a legal fee. Therefore, together with a certificate written at the foot of such copy that it is a true copy of such documents or part thereof, as the case may be, and such certificate shall be dated and subscribed by such officer with his name and his official title, and shall be sealed whenever such officer is authorized by law to make use of a seal and such copy is so certified shall be called certified copy. Explanation is there any officer who by the ordinary course of the official duty is authorized to deliver such copy shall be deemed to have the custody of such documents within the meaning of this section.
So where it is written as a certified to be true copy in this particular voter list.
Certified to be true copy is not written, your lordship.
So
Lordship,
if
but
it's a certified copy, section 76 have to be complied with, right?
lordship, it has to be
So-
complied with. But on the left, your lordship, it is written Nokol Korar,
These things are,
lordship,
they have nothing to do.
lordship.
The record reveals none of these voter list are certified copies. None of the voter list that you have actually.
Lordship, I have annexed that page number 22, that is annexure 5 and annexure 6.
Hmm.
Those
Yeah.
were also certified copies, your lordship.
Where from you are saying? Those are different.
Lordship,
These are of which year?
these are of 2010 and your lordship 2014, your lordship.
Hmm.
We have, which I have annexed in my petition, your lordship.
Hmm.
These are also certified copies, your lordship.
Hmm.
These were digitally signed, your lordship.
Yes. True. You are not a resident of village Borpeta, of district Borpeta. That is why we are asking you.
Lordship.
Hmm. Tell us.
This is subdivision, your lordship, Borpeta Sadar.
Hmm.
Village is Nosotro, your lordship.
Hmm.
House number is 30K,
Hmm.
part number 113, your lordship.
How it's related?
If lordship allows, your lordship, I will seek proper instructions from the
See, beyond the thing you cannot go,
lordship.
right?
Lordship, that clear. Attested to the
Which is your link document? Which is your link document that you have proved before the tribunal?
Land documents, your lordship.
Hmm.
Land documents that is corroborated by the voter list of 1966 and 1970, your lordship.
You are sure? That's all. Okay.
আমার
Mr. Sharma, Mr. Pang, just see it.
Yes.
And show it to Mr. What's your good name?
lordship, SF senior lordship.
Like,
This particular land document belongs to which village?
Sujan Gram.
District
No.
at the top.
Not
It is not Central. Tehsil Sujan Gram, Jila Bongai.
So someone at village Nakhotra of Srizangam of district Bongaigaon having 4 names. Basir Ali, then Azibur Rahman, Ahil Rahman and Ali Akab.
Ali Akbar.
Whose father is Hussein Ali. How is related to the Hussein Ali whose name figured in the voter list of 1966 and 1970? The village Nakhotra under Bagbor police station. District, Dedan district, Kamrup, now Borpeta. When did you shift from Bongaigaon district to Borpeta district?
That was not mentioned, your lordship.
It is not mentioned means the knowledge will be only with the proceeding.
Lordship, the at page number 19, Your Lordship. This is the voter list of 1970.
Hmm.
This also shows, Your Lordship, if the record was obtained from subdivisional office of Borpeta, Your Lordship.
Hmm.
The office of the circle officer,
Hmm.
district Borpeta,
Hmm.
called Kasia Revenue Circle.
Hmm. This is a photostat copy,
Lordship,
right?
Lordship.
This has been photostat. Where is the issuing authority?
Page number 19, Your
You're
Lordship.
there, page number 19 on.
Lordship.
1970 voter list.
Lordship.
Where is the certified copy? Where you have stated that you're the same person. Notice was issued to you,
Lordship.
village Nakhotra, under Abhayapuri police station of district Bongaigaon. You have accepted the notice. How you are related to this person from district Borpeta? How you are related? The land document clearly reflects that it is you, not maybe you, may not be somebody, maybe may not be you. 4 brothers, son of Hussein Ali, are the Patadas. How? That was issued in which year?
2004, my lord.
So
Patta was granted to them in the year 2004.
that's right.
It's
How?
not-
There is no mention in your
Yes.
written statement that you do possess land or your father had land which were mutated in your favor as his legal heir. This is not your case. Anything else?
Lordship, although it was not in the written statement, but
If it is not in the written statement, it is not there.
Lordship, it is on record, Your Lordship.
Hmm.
By filing an affidavit, I have got it into record, Your Lordship.
Is it possible under the law? So as the law by filing an affidavit, you can bring it to the notice of the tribunal without seeking leave. So as the law. Your bank passbook is from Langtisinga. How come? You know where is Langtisinga?
It falls,
Which part of the state?
it falls under Abhayapuri, Your Lordship. Bongaigaon district. It falls under Bongaigaon district, Your Lordship. It's, it is in the border of Borpeta district. And
Langtisinga is in the border of Borpeta district.
Lordship.
We'll come back at 2 and we'll see the map of Assam with the districts. Then you tell us.
Lordship,
Make your submission at 2.
Lordship, on some other day, Your Lordship.
Not possible.
Lordship,
You could have mentioned it that time only.
Lordship. It comes Borpeta, Your Lordship. What has happened, Your Lordship? What I could find from the map, Your Lordship. In the year 1983, Borpeta district was created, Your Lordship. And prior to that, it was a part of Kamrup, Your Lordship. And
Yes.
all the villages which presently fall under the Bongaigaon district were previously under Borpeta district, Your Lordship. Now what has happened, Your Lordship? Again in the year 1989, that is 29 September 1989, this as what I could find from the Google,
Bongaigaon district has been bifurcated from which district?
Borpeta district, Your
Are you
Lordship.
sure?
What I have find from the Google map, Your Lordship. Lordship, and again, in the year 1989, this Bongaigaon district was created from the Borpeta district, for administrative purpose. And in the Bongaigaon district, there are 5 number of revenue circle, Your Lordship. That was Bongaigaon Revenue Circle, Botiamani Revenue Circle, Sisangram Revenue Circle, Manikpur Revenue Circle, and Dongtol Revenue Circle, Your Lordship. And out of these 5, from the Sisangram Revenue Circle, my village Nosotro falls, Your Lordship. That is under the Sisangram Revenue Circle. There are 211 number of villages, Your Lordship, and my village falls under serial number 152, Your Lordship. So I am a resident of Nosotro, Your Lordship. Presently, that is under Bongaigaon district, Your Lordship. But on an inquiry, Lordship, it was filed. This Nosotro again falls under 44 number LAC, 44 number Junior LAC, Your Lordship. That falls under Borpeta district, Your Lordship. So for this reason, Your Lordship, the document shows that I have obtained it from Borpeta district, Your Lordship. And
So you have checked, right?
Lordship,
You have checked.
from the
You again check
Lordship.
Nosotro village under which districts? How many are in the under how many districts in Assam?
And I have also instruction, Your Lordship. In the meantime, the people of Nosotro, they cast Panchayat vote in the district of Bongaigaon, Your Lordship. But they fall under 44 number LAC, which is under again Borpeta, Your
You are
Lordship.
checking in Google, no? Check it. How
Lordship.
many villages, Nosotro villages are there in Assam?
Lordship, as per the Google map, it shows it falls under Borpeta, Your Lordship.
So Nosotro village, which is under Abhayapur police station, is under Borpeta district.
No, Your Lordship, that is not the the Nosotro village where I am staying. It falls under Abhayapuri police station at present, and this is within the Bongaigaon district, Your Lordship. But all the documents relating to Nosotro village, maximum of the documents, people over there, that election documents, that shows it is 44 number LAC, 44 number Jonia LAC, which is under Borpeta district. Therefore, all the papers of the voter.
You
So
belong to Bongaigaon district and you belong to a village of named Nakhotra under Abhayapuri police station, but your documents are from village Nakhotra of Jonia district, of this Jonia LAC.
Lordship, because
Is it
previous
possible?
Lordship,
Just
previous
tell us, is it possible?
Lordship, as per instruction, Lordship, they have been saying
Too
that
many instructions may create problem for the petitioner.
Lordship.
The reason is
Lordship.
you are aware, a person who takes the benefit of law should come in clean hand.
Lordship,
Now, if the petitioner wants to say something more, he will be in trouble in other ways,
Lordship,
right?
Lordship.
Think over and tell us.
Lordship allows, I will have proper instruction, Lordship will come.
Sufficient. Yes, Mr. Pai.
May I plead, my lord, your lordship may kindly see the WS first, my lord. My humble submission will be, my lord, that WS at page 35 is totally, my lord, inadequate and has not disclosed the material facts which ought to have been declared by the petitioner, my lord. First of all, my lord, there is no cause of action. Para 2(1), para 2
Those are not required.
not required. Para 4, your lordship, the opposite party is an Indian citizen by birth. That is the claim of the petitioner. But he has nowhere stated when is his date of birth, where is his place of birth, which is very important for the purpose of my lord identification of his citizenship. He has not stated anywhere, my lord, date of birth and place of birth, and nor brought any evidence to that effect regarding his date of birth and place of birth. So that is the first point. Then, on reading of the entire, my lord, WS from 4 to, he has 13 statements are there, my lord, altogether, but he has not disclosed his date of birth and place of birth, as I have already submitted, my lord. Number 2, he has not disclosed the name of his parents,
Parents,
grandparents.
he has said,
No, my lord, only father's name he has said,
not of mother.
not of mother. Parents, in fact, he has not said he is my father. He has stated, he has not positively said that he is my father. He has stated in the NRC 1955, my father name is enlisted. In the 1966 voter list, my father
Maybe
name.
the style of the lawyer is maybe different,
Yes,
who has
But
drafted.
he has not stated about his mother.
But
not
somehow he has
stated,
mentioned the name of his father.
yes, father, somehow mentioned the name of the father, not stated about grandparents, not stated about any siblings if he's had, my lord. No siblings, nothing about siblings, grandparents and mother. He has also not disclosed, my lord, anything about land possessed by him or his father. He has also not disclosed, my lord, what happened to his parents, projected parents, if he brought the 1966 and 70 voter list. What happened after 1970, my lord? That is nowhere. Because it is very important. So all these things are not in the WS. Now, for the purpose of his identification, my lord, if we see the affidavit, my lord, affidavit of in the instant case, he has declared his age, my lord, in 2019,
38 years.
38 years. So it will be, if he was 38 years in, my lord, 2019, his date of birth will be sometime in 1981. We can assume that, my lord, for that purpose. And if we see the voter list of 2008, my lord, at page 21, from this voter list, we can assume that his date of birth will be sometime in 1980. So 1980-81, we can assume that either in 80 or 81, this may be his date of birth. This means he was born in 1980 or in 1981. Now, your lordship may kindly see the evidence, my lord. Evidence in page 40. It is the original part, my lord. Page 40. And then your lordship may kindly see the page 42, my lord.
His evidence.
Evidence, his evidence, written evidence.
Hmm.
There is a positive page 42. He is taking total false case here, my lord. In para 8, my lord, he has stated that my father was expired in the year 1970. This is the line, my lord. This is a positive. My father expired in 1970, and after the death of my father, his landed property was transferred in the name of his legal heirs, and according a final patta was issued in the name of my brothers and his legal heirs, fathers by patta number so and so, so and so, so and so. No date, nothing. But there is a statement, my lord, that his father was expired in 1970. So if his father expired in 1970, how come his date of birth will be 1980 or 81? And this is his evidence, man. He's taking total false case. And this is, my lord, this is clear, even more clear from the, my lord, calculation as your lordship made, my lord, already made. Because in 1966, your lordship may kindly see the voter list 66. Voter list of 1966, page 16, my lord. The projected father was 60 years. And in that case, the projected father's date of birth was sometime in 1906. And then in 1980, he was 74 years, which is biologically impossible. So, and the mother was 64 years. In 1980-81, my lord, 64, 60. So, this Hussain Ali and Zahirun Nisa was never a mother and father of the petitioner. Because,
Doubtful.
my lord, my submission is never. It cannot be. Because the father was 74.
Hussain Ali can be a father of the petitioner, a Hussain Ali. But the projected Hussain Ali.
Hussain Ali is
from-
this Hussain Ali of 1966, my lord.
and
I'm saying.
1970.
Yes,
cannot be.
1966 and 70. These are not the parents of the, my lord, petitioner. And this Basir Ali, Jail Hawk, Shuk, and my lord, Basir
Paik,
Ali, Jail Hawk.
Mr. Pine, just a minute. Rest can go because my sister is having some single bench. So we have to rise by 2:30 to 45. So we'll take up this item on rest. Yes,
My lord, may kindly see 66 who were the voter. Hussain Ali, Zahirun Nisa, Basir Ali, Jail Hawk. According to him, he has not stated that Basir Ali was his brother, Jail Hawk was his brother. If they are, my lord, accepted to be brother of the petitioner, their date of birth will be sometime in before 1950, my lord, Basir cell. And after 40, 50 years, the petitioner is born. And there is no link document along with this, any one of these, my lord, any one of these voters of 1966 and 70, along with the petition. So the entire case is based on some false claim, my lord. If he explain everything, then also how can he explain the para 8 of his evidence, my lord? Then your lordship may kindly also see the para 6 and 7 of the evidence. He has stated that the State Bank of India, this was not stated before the tribunal, at the time of WS, filing WS, the para 6. Para 7 was not stated in the WS, my lord. These oaths were later on brought at the time of evidence. Now your lordship may kindly see the cross part of the petition. My lord. Cross part is at page, my lord. Yes, page 45, my lord. If we read the cross part of the petitioner, my lord, this will contradict more. My lord, this is
Just a minute, just a minute.
page 45, it is some step. Vernacular.
Yes.
Page 45, my lord, cross part. Moi Zikom Hosakom, this is Ekabber Ali, this is was 36 years. Hossein Ali Nokotro, Kapara, Oboyapuri Bongaikom. Moi Zikom Hosakom. Moi Zomadia NRC copied. Moor Koka Deuter Nam Mughal Sheikh Buli Ullekase. Ukto NRC copied exhibit 1 Moor Deuter Boyok Hati Bosor Buli Dikase. His father was 60 years in 1951, if it is accepted to be his original father. Ukto NRC Deuter Logot Bosser Ali Aru Ejon Bhair Nam Dikase. This may be seen by not. Ukto Bhaijon Mito Hoise, Mitu Hoise. Teu Nam Nazanu. He does not know the names of the name of his sibling. Teu Nam Moinot, Teu Nam Nazanu. ঊনৈছশ 61 চনত দেউতাৰ নাম প্ৰথম ভোটাৰ তালিকা 64 চনত দেউতাৰ নাম প্ৰথম ভোটাৰ তালিকাত উঠে দেউতাৰ মৃত্যু কেতিয়া হৈছে নাজানো here he has said it he don't know he doesn't know when his father died দেউতাৰ মৃত্যুৰ সময়ত মোৰ বয়স 4-5 বছৰ আছিল this contradicts the entire story দেউতাৰ মৃত্যু 1975 চনত হৈছে now he has said his father died in 1975. But even though we accept that his father died in 1975, categorical statement, my lord, then also he cannot, my lord, his date of birth cannot be in 1980-81. দেউতাৰ মৃত্যুৰ 1 বছৰৰ পিছত মাৰ মৃত্যু হয় his mother expired 2008 চনত মোৰ নাম গোচৰ তালিকাত উঠে ভোটাৰ তালিকাত উঠে মই জমা দিয়া পত্ৰত এক্সিবিট 7ত উল্লেখ থকা মাটি পট্টাত এক্সিবিট 7ত উল্লেখ থকা মাটি মোৰ দেউতাই কিনিছিল মাটি কিনা দিন দলিল মই এই গোচৰত জমা দিয়া নাই মাটি কেতিয়া কিনিছিল মই নাজানো মোৰ আৰু মোৰ ভাইৰ নাম কোনো ভোটাৰ তালিকাত একেলগে নাই DW2 Hail Sheikh মোৰ ডাঙৰ ভাই he was never there in the voter list of 1966 or 70 Hail Sheikh is not a voter in 1966 and 70 my lord neither he has studied in WS that he has any brother in the name of Hail Sheikh nor he has studied in evidence, my lord. And from the records we have seen, my lord, Exhibit 7 is not a land possessed by his father in any time, my lord. He has given a false statement. Record says, my lord, moi jomadia potra Exhibit 7 উল্লেখ থকা মাটি মোৰ দেউতাই কিনিছিল there is no evidence he has given a statement and the record reveals that it is not correct most interestingly the first part my lord he has said he don't know his brother's name he doesn't know his brother's name whose name was there in 1961 in the NRC he has said this Ahel Sheikh is his brother, but Ahel Sheikh was never in the voter list of 1966 and 70. He has not said that Bosser Ali or Zail Haq was his brother. Who are the son of this Hussein Ali, my lord? Bosir Ali and Zail Haq in 1966 and 70 also. Bosir Ali, Zail Haq. Though this, so my submission is that, my lord, the petitioner has claimed a false, brought some false documents and claimed that this 66-70 voter list, whose names were there, my lord, in the 1966 and 70, that he is trying to make them as his father, brother, mother, my lord, but which is not proved at all, my lord.
Okay.
That is the only case, my lord. And for that, my lord, WS, as I always, my lord, cited some documents, judgments on WS, my lord. I just point out the WS. My lord, your lordship may note down this, my lord. 2017 4 GLT 346
This is
For-
for what?
WS, my lord. Material facts pleaded would have to be proved by adducing
2017?
4 GLT, my lord, 346. That is, material facts need to be proved by adducing cogent and reliable evidence, my lord. And what is, my lord, what are the material facts? That is specifically, my lord, said in para 26 of the Sovereign Orders, my lord. Those are the material facts, my lord. Para 26, what the requirement? Those are the material facts. And then 2017 4 GLR 295, my lord.
2017 4 GLR.
Yes, my lord, 295. Saru Saif. That is also on the same footing, my lord. Then 2017 3 GLJ 490. This is failure to disclose material facts would lead adverse presumption, my lord.
490.
Yes,
Yeah.
GLJ, my lord. 2017 3 GLJ 490. And 2017 2 GLT 1076, my lord. Momin Ali, this is on in variance between pleading and proof not permissible. Variance between pleading and proof is not permissible. That is on that point. There are numbers of judgments, my lord. On the one, my lord, this is again the claim. If a person claims that he is my father or mother, that has to be established by bringing, my lord, proper evidence before the tribunal. That is 2019 1 GLT, my lord, 784.
1 GLD.
Yes, 2019 1 GLT 784. Para 10 to 16, my lord. This
Paragraph?
para 10 to 16, my lord. This is what is under section 9, what they needs to be proved, how they needs to prove it, my lord. And what is required to be proved, that is there. We are saying the main proposition here is that we are saying, pointing out some person as his father will not do, my lord, whose name was there in 1966 or 70 voter list. It has to be established by bringing cogent and reliable evidence. So from the, my lord, so my submission is that, my lord, the petitioner has projected this Hossein Ali and Zahir. Hossein Ali, in fact, he has nowhere claimed that Zahir Nisa is mother. Hossein Ali of 1966 and this 1970 is not his father. He has failed to establish that this Hossein Ali is his father, or accordingly, he is a citizen of India. He has totally failed to establish that matter. That is most humble submission, my lord. At this point, my lord, in fact, my submission will be, my lord, this, apart from this, the proceeding should be initiated for claiming false, my lord, giving false information and swearing false, my lord, affidavit, because this is serious, my lord. He has stated in his evidence itself that his father died in 1970. So he cannot be born, his date of birth cannot be in 1980. So he has totally misled the court by doing these things. In one place, he has said 1970. In another place, he has said 1975. And one thing my learned friend my lord has argued that he has my lord the Moimona Nessa, one Moimona is there in somewhere. In the probably that is in the my lord DPL card. That Moimona is his mother. My lord, that is nowhere stated that Moimona is his stepmother.
No, no, there is no mention of Moimona.
Yes, there is no mention of Moimona even, but he has now, in the oral argument, he has said that Moimona is his stepmother, my lord. They are in the, because one Moimona is there in the, my lord, the
One of the
EPL
exhibits.
card. Yes, one of his documents, my lord. 30, 32, please 32.
Exhibit 6,
Exhibit 6.
job card.
Yes, job card. Here he has said that Moimona Bewa is my lord, his. But this Moimona Bewa was not a voter in 1966 or 70,
No,
along with the father, my lord, projected father, because it is his statement immediately after death of the mother, his original father, his mother died. After 1 year of his death of the father, his mother died. So Moimona was married along with that my lord projected father Hossein Ali of 1966 and 70. Her name should have been there along with that projected father. But in 70, his statement is that in 1975, father died. Immediately after 1 year, the mother died. So he may be son of this Moimon Beba. This is my understanding. He may be son of this Moimon Neba and one Hassan Ali, who was not a voter in either in 66 or 70. The voter list of 1966-70, which are annexed here, are false. They are nowhere connected to this petition. That may be the case, my lord. And he has not nowhere stated anything about his mother. Even then, my lord, the Moimona Bewa, if Moimona Bewa was the wife of Hassan Ali of 1966 and 70, that marriage would have taken place prior to 1975. Definitely it should be prior to 75 or 70, because father died in 75. So marriage should have been taken place prior to 75. This is not the case that Moimona would get married only after 75 or after he's born. So in that case, in 1970, both these mothers' names should have been there in the voter list of 1970, along with this mother, that Hossein Ali, this Moimona, and that mother Zahiran Nessa, whom the petitioner is claiming to be his mother. So there are multiple contradictions in the entire case, my lord. There is no case at all. The tribunal has committed no wrong in any manner while deciding the case, my lord. That is my humble statement.
Okay. Anything you want to reply?
Let's,
You are S.A. Hassan.
S.A. Hussain, Your Lordship.
Hussain. What's the full name?
Samsul Alam Hussain.
What Mr. S.A. Hussain. For the petition. And Mr. Z. Pang. Standing Council of the Party. Some of the respected members. Six and seven. So what Mr. Patel.
In my